everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to be participating in the 2018 Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge, hosted by my sweet friend Christina over at the DIY Mummy. I hope you enjoy. So guys, the rules were really simple. Do a DIY or makeover to your outdoor space. My outdoor area, guys, was just screaming for some attention. I really struggled with this area of my home. So when Christina put out this challenge, I knew it would be the perfect motivational tool I needed to make over my outdoor area. I started by removing most things from that area, and I washed the tiles with some tile cleaner, and then I also got some wood cleaner for my timber deck, and I also mopped that down as well. Now my outdoor table, guys, had seen better days, and I wasn't in a position to purchase a new one. So off camera I gave it a light sanding and added 2 coats of my favourite turquoise paint. I also off camera sprayed a light sealer to the top of this table. Underneath the table I'm using this Kmart Australia outdoor rug in black and white, and I love how it tied in nicely with the turquoise table and my white metal chairs. I then added this white table runner, as well as these beautiful fuchsia pink candle holders and this beautiful white shell in the middle. Now, taking this beautiful turquoise fabric that I got on clearance from Spotlight, I decided with my outdoor setting that I'd recover the cushions. I wanted this to be extremely simple, guys. I wanted to make a cover that I could easily take off, but not involve sewing. So after cutting it to size, I simply hot glued a small hem around the entire piece of fabric. I then folded it in half and hot glued it in 3 places, leaving the top open so that I could have an opening to slip the cover on. I then repeated the same process for all 3 cushions. I then wanted to add some lighting outside, so I took these 2 party lanterns and these decorative string crystal bulb lights, and I hung them from the top of the outdoor area. I decided on adding 2 decorative fuchsia pink ones to each end of the string lights, and you can see here, guys, it was a little bit of a dull day. It was actually looking like it was going to rain, so I do apologise for the lighting here in this clip. I then added some decorative cushions to my made over outdoor setting. And keeping with the fuchsia pink theme, I also added this cozy decorative throw and this beautiful rustic tray with some decorative pieces on top. I also added these little white footstools, guys, and I just took some furry pillow covers and just sat them on top for a decorative look. I also added these 2 decorative lanterns with battery operated candles. I then also added to the wall this beautiful turquoise juju hat. I picked this up recently from eBay. Then on my little side table I added this rustic lantern, as well as these white orchids and this little bowl of shells. I also added to the floor, guys, this decorative brown rug that I already had. And again, I love how I repurposed items. I also added to this little gold table I already had some decorative pieces with pops of pink and fuchsia, as well as my little baby Bella, her feeding bowls. And guys, I also added to the wall this round Kmart Australia mirror, and I love how it is the focal point that people look at when they first walk outside. So guys, here is my completed outdoor area. I'm so happy that I took the time to participate in this wonderful challenge hosted by my sweet friend Christina over at the DIY Mummy. It certainly motivated me to take the time to redesign my outdoor living space and make it a place where I really enjoy coming out and sitting. My little teepee, guys, is also a purchase from eBay, and it's from my sweet little Shih Tzu, Bella. Guys, when decorating a space in your home, I encourage you to shop your own home. It's amazing how that when you change things around, or maybe go and get something that you've had stored in the garage and give it a complete makeover, it's amazing how that you can create a different look just instantly. Nothing makes me more excited than taking something that needed a little bit of a facelift and doing an inexpensive DIY project where I could create a brand new look for that piece. Your outdoor space, guys, should be a relaxing place where you can entertain with friends, and also where you can just wind down and enjoy your time outdoors. Here I'm showing you what it looks like at night time. I also put some fairy lights in one of our trees at the back. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to decorate your own outdoor space this weekend. Please be sure to check out that wonderful playlist over at the DIY Mummy. Christina has put together a playlist of other YouTubers like myself who have participated in this wonderful collaboration. So don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more videos from Cheryl's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.